How can I find all matches to a regular expression in Python? In a program I'm writing, I have Python use the re.search function to find matches in a block of text and print the results. However, the program exits once it finds the first match in the block of text. How do I do this repeatedly where the program doesn't stop until all matches have been found? Is there a separate function to do this?
Use re.findAll or re.findIter instead. Re.findAll pattern, string, returns a list of matching strings. Re.findIter pattern, string, returns an iterator over match objects. Example.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.